Today's storms are starting to leave the state now.
New CENTER Maine meteorologist Jason Nappi is in Chesterville, where we are actually seeing some storm damage this evening. Hi, Jason.
Yeah, hi Amanda. This road here, Archer Road up in Chesterville, Franklin County, has seen a lot of activity in the last couple of minutes. We've got a couple of CMP trucks. I'll get out of the way. Chainsaw action going on a tree that fell on the lines. It's about 4 hours ago actually, around 1:10 in the afternoon. That tree hit that line. There's about 20 people or so that live on this road, I'm told. So they have some power issues, but CMP is working on it to get these people their power back on. As you can see happening right now on live television, that is a chainsaw, and we have moved away from the scene, and there's a parade of cars, and I also saw some fire rescue and everything, but everyone looks here safe from what I can see. It was about 4 hours ago that this all went down. Storms came through on radar. There was some wind gusts. It took down the top of this tree onto those power lines. So for now, meteorologist Jason Nappi, live Chesterville for News CENTER Maine.